Stoicism is a philosophical movement that originated in ancient Greece and was founded by the philosopher Zeno in about 3rd century BC. It's based on the idea that individuals should strive to live in accordance with reason and virtue, and that they should strive to be indifferent to external circumstances which are beyond their control. Stoics believed that the key to a fulfilling and meaningful life was to focus on what was within one's control and cultivate virtues such as wisdom, justice, courage, and self-control. They believed that being in accordance with reason and virtue, individuals could achieve a state of inner peace and contentment, regardless of the external circumstances that they faced. Stoics also believed that the universe is governed by a rational order, and that individuals should strive to understand this order and live in accordance with it. They believed that by understanding the natural laws that govern the universe, individuals could live in harmony with the world around them and find meaning and purpose in life. One of the key concepts in Stoicism is the idea of apatheia, which refers to the idea that individuals could strive to be indifferent to external circumstances that are beyond their control. This does not mean that Stoics advocated for a lack of emotion or a lack of feeling, but rather they believe that individuals should try to maintain a calm and rational mindset in the face of difficulties and adversities, and to focus on what is within their control. Stoicism had a significant impact on the development of Western philosophy, and its ideas have been influential in a variety of fields, including psychology, ethics, and politics. If you're looking to read up on some Stoic writings, check out anything by Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, or Seneca.